T-Mobile service interruptions happen when calls or data connections frequently drop. These issues often stem from signal strength, frequency band problems, or difficulties with tower handoffs. Signal strength is measured in decibels relative to milliwatt, or dBm. Aim for minor 50 dB better for strong connections. Signals below 100 dBm can cause drops. Frequency bands are crucial for connectivity. T-Mobile uses LTE bands like 12, 4, and 66, plus 5G bands such as N41. Issues arise when devices don't support these bands or struggle to switch between them. Tower handoffs involve switching your device seamlessly between cell towers as you move. Poor handoffs due to latency or overloaded towers can cause dropped connections. The My T-Mobile app offers real-time signal diagnostics. T-Mobile also provides signal boosters in rural areas to improve connectivity. To improve T-Mobile service, first ensure you have a strong signal by moving to higher ground or removing obstructions. Use apps like Network Cell Info to monitor your signal strength and the bands your phone is using. Check your device's band compatibility via T-Mobile's website. In your phone settings, try enabling band locking to prioritize stable bands. For handoff issues, update your carrier settings by dialing *#4636 #* on Android. Resetting network settings on your phone can also help. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile for tower optimization requests in your area. Remember, T-Mobile's AI-driven network optimization is continually improving handoffs, but user-side troubleshooting remains essential. Consider using Wi-Fi calling as a backup during service interruptions.